Hello, I'm Ariana, and today I'll be talking about our EP5950 paper dispenser with crumpler device and the EP5955 paper crumpler with idler system. The EP5950 has a manual pull system that crumples and dispenses craft paper for void fill use. The EP5955 includes an idler brake to keep paper in place when pulling has stopped. Both units come in two sizes, 24-inch and 36-inch models. The stands featured here are the EP5970 mobile floor unit and the EP5975 adjustable mobile floor unit. The units are made from solid steel and can be mounted to a table, wall, or mobile stand. Wall mounting kits are sold separately. With the units built in cut-off blade, the blade provides an all-in-one for your shipping needs. The blade is also not sharp, allowing for maximum safety and less accidents for your warehouse. Using the EP5955 is easy and simple. Just pull the desired amount of paper through the chute. Then use the blade attachment on the side to cut. Loading the EP5955 is just as easy. Simply lift the support rod from the unit and slide on your row. Load with the paper feeding from the back. Pull your paper underneath the pressure rod like so. Then feed it around the idler brake in the back. Pull the paper through and towards the front. Crumple the end of the paper and pull through the chute. Now your EP5955 is ready to go once again. The EP5950 and the EP5955 are both made in the USA right here at Encore Packaging. For more information, please contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.